Everybody's raving about watching films with Kent.
Welcome to another episode of Watching Films with Kent. I'm your guest co-host, Jean-Benet Jeanchet, here with Kent Kermy. We're talking about Bullet Train, starring Brad Pitt. Kent, what did you think about this action-packed thrill ride?
Before the film began, I went to the nearby Olive Garden to enjoy a glass of wine. And then there was sadly a fruit fly that would not stop hovering about my glass of wine, forcing me to drink the wine much quicker than I normally would to avoid it being tainted. Despite this pest control issue, I ordered a tiramisu to go. I brought the tiramisu over to the movie theater, and the child at the ticket counting window informed me that I could not bring the tiramisu into the theater room. So I brought my tiramisu back to my car, still parked in the Olive Garden parking lot, and proceeded to eat it as quickly as possible so that I could be back in time for the train film. Sadly, the tiramisu mixed with the wine that I quickly drank earlier provided a rather sour stomach for me. We walked back to the theater, past the ticket boy, and watched what appeared to be the final and third act of the train film.
Well, what did you think about the part that you did see?
Well, if you've seen one train film, then you've truly seen them all.
Thank you, Kent, for another enchanting evening of Watching Films with Kent. To our viewers, I hope to see you again soon. In the meantime, happy viewing.
I don't like her can make it a new host.
Call 822-444-7833 to sign up for a chance to meet Ken at the Vanguard Mini Mall this Saturday.